All right. So now that we got the turbo blanket on, did we ever show? We did show how we got the turbo blanket on with the springs in the bottom.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. So now we have a heat shield. I'm going to mention it in another clip where we're going to put the heat shield on. We got the one with the gold film. So we can do unboxing it. All that comes with is the gold film. I think we unboxed this already before. I'll link it somewhere here so you can see where we compared this one with the Cobb one. We're going to go with this one because the Cobb one doesn't protect it as much as the way the Grimmspeed does. But it actually comes with the 3 bolts that you need. The 2 on the side, the 2 on the heat shield bracket that are on the top of the downpipe, and then 1 at the very bottom, which I just replaced. And then here's the heat shield from Grimmspeed. I think it's like ceramic coat or something. So it's gonna sit like that. So 2 of them are gonna go here on that bracket that I just installed, and then the other one's gonna go over here with that other bracket I installed. But we're gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna put the gold film on the inside. Probably gonna have to cut it up in pieces. I'm gonna have to slice it so that I can get all these weird angles, and then yeah. So let's see how that goes. I'm gonna cut in these pieces here. Just makes it a little bit easier for all the folds in here, because without these little creases here, I don't know how I would be able to put them all in one solid piece. So I'm just cutting them. It looks like they're already kind of like pre-cut, so I'm just trying to get my best, do the best that I can here. You know what? All those years in the mobile industry, I guess have paid off.
For this one,
For this one moment. This one opportunity. Oh, it's right here. Here, I'll let you do the honors of cuts. Wow, that's funny, man. After this, I don't know what else I'm gonna put on today. What should we do? Should we do that or that? I think I'm just gonna unbox something just so I can have like a moment where. What do you think I should do? This big piece first? No, let's do the small pieces.
Yeah, we can round it up.
The last piece. Here, I'm gonna. Boom. Looks good. Woo!
Damn.
Look at all that gold. Woo! It's gonna go something like this. So this is the new bracket we put on. There's the 2 bolts we're gonna put there. Honestly, this is gonna be like a million times easier right now that the intercooler's out. Everything is out of the way. So it should be smooth sailing. Let's see. Yep. And that's about it. I'm gonna put the bolt on here. And 1 there, and then 1 down here. And boom, done. Just kidding. Put the bolts. I don't like to put these too tight because the one over here in the corner, down over here, is always a pain. So I want to get them bolted down just so that I know where the spots are at. Because I have a turbo blanket on this one, so things are going to be a little different. If I can find right there. Okay, and then the last one, if you want, you can come around here, you can see where it's at. It's kind of hard to see. I showed it in a previous clip, but what you're going to do is it's down right here. So I put it like that. Let me get this one on. Okay, let's see if I can get it without dropping the bolt, like I've done 100 times in the past. And I got threads in. Boom. Now it's just a matter of tightening it up, and hopefully this banjo bolt situation here is not going to cause that much issues. I'm going to have to move some of this around so I can bolt these up. Let me turn this a little bit tight, yeah. Without dropping any more tools. It's been a long day. Thank you for your help, David. If it wasn't for you, I probably would still be on the floor fighting with the downpipe.
No problem. You know, since Abram couldn't be here.
Yeah, since he punked out. Yeah. Okay, here we go. This is probably gonna be scraping along there. I have a feeling. Actually, I'm not gonna put it in tight.